Photoshop is an undoubtedly powerful tool today, and it is increasingly relied on by professionals of all kinds to showcase their products. Tech mockups are some of the most popular items to create in Photoshop, as they can be used for various purposes like promoting a mobile app or web page. If you need some inspiration or just want to see some cool tech mockups, check out this rundown of the 10 best tech mockups for Photoshop. Number 10. VR Kit Mockup by Caleb Studio. The VR Kit Mockup is a detailed package ideal for highlighting the best features of a VR headset. It comprises 24 static PSDs and uses separate layer sets, allowing you to easily change or adapt logos, components, and backgrounds to suit your branding. Number 9. Smartwatch Mockup by Skradek. Smartwatch Mockup is a high-resolution, photo-based mockup that allows you to present your designs on the screen of a smartwatch. A PSD file is supplied with organized layers and smart objects for easy one-click design and background editing. Number 8. Headphone Mockup by Lelevian. A clean and simple design, Headphone Mockup is an easy-to-use digital mockup for presenting headphones with unique logo designs. It's supported by Adobe Photoshop and features well-organized layers, RGB colors, and smart objects, great for easy editing. Number 7. Desktop Mockup by Nathatype. Desktop Mockup is a simple yet powerful PSD template that includes everything from smart objects to highlight adjustment and a detailed mask service. It's perfect for those looking to create an effective website mockup that showcases what their page will really look like on a desktop computer. Number 6. Floating Laptop Mockup by FDR Studio. Offering 4 PSD files, fully separated objects, shadows, and text instructions, Floating Laptop Mockup is a great way to show off your website or app on a laptop screen. You can easily change the background, as well as add your own images and text with the help of smart objects. Since we're halfway through our countdown, now's a great time to remind you that you can get all of these great tech mockups and more from one place, Envato Elements. With a single flat-rate subscription, you can download as many items as you want, whenever you want. Plus, new items are added to the collection every month, so it's always growing. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Smartphones Mockup by Mego Studio. Perfect for commercial purposes, the Smartphones Mockup allows you to change the colors of your phone mockup, as well as add your own message, image, or logo, thanks to the use of smart objects. It's great for creating an easy-to-use, high-quality digital product mockup. Number 4. Device Mockup by Making Art. Device Mockup is a professional 3D mockup display designed to make presenting your content on device screens as easy as a simple click. With its accessible PSD Photoshop format and 300 DPI, you're sure to get the crisp and clean mockup design you've been yearning for. Number 3. Smartphone Mockup by Making Art. Smartphone Mockup is an excellent way to showcase your responsive web design, app interface, or just about any content you want on a smartphone screen. The phone mockup features editable background colors and easy-to-manage layers, as well as a PDF help guide to assist you along the design process. Number 2. UI Screen Mockup Scene PSD Mockup by Sinla Town. UI Screen Mockup Scene PSD Mockup is a versatile mockup that can be used for everything from showcasing app designs to presenting responsive web layouts. The mockup includes a single PSD file that's fully equipped for customization and boasts a solid 72 DPI for amazing definition. Number 1. Clean Real Mockup Kit by Pixflow. This kit contains 9 fully customizable PSD files with editable smart objects. It features everything from realistic reflections, retina display, and depth of field effects to fast editing via smart objects with instant realistic results. This kit offers an unrivaled level of options and flexibility, making it perfect for promoting websites and apps alike. So there you have it. our rundown of the 10 best tech mockups for Photoshop. We hope you enjoyed it and are able to put some of these fantastic mockup templates to good use. Aside from what we've shown here today, are there any other kits you feel deserve the spotlight? Let us know in the comments. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this content. And we'll see you again soon.